The other day, a CEO asked me a great question. Bill, you teach companies how to create a deep sense of ownership, but what keeps that alive after the workshop ends? I love that question because it gets to the heart of what leadership is. Here's what we do in the value proposition workshop. First, employees actually create the value propositions that drive ownership in their customers. They don't just hear about it, they build it. And in that process, the company learns how to do that again and again. Second, and this part is subtle, the way the workshop runs, the process that we use, we're quietly building a deep sense of ownership inside the employees themselves. They start to see their role not as a job, but as a personal stake in the company's success. That sense of ownership, that's the holy grail of leadership. It doesn't fade out. It doesn't fade out after the workshop ends. It doesn't fade out ever unless the leadership does something to undermine it. And that's the key. The power isn't in the workshop, it's in leadership. Because how you lead after your people feel ownership will determine everything that follows. And in the workshop, the CEO masters that leadership approach. So, if you're a CEO who wants your employees to care as much as you do, don't just talk about ownership, create it, and then protect it.